Hey everybody, but today we're gonna go on a trip to Louisiana. Hoy vamos a ir a un viaje a Louisiana. Hoy y a lo mejor regresar mañana. Okay. So before we go to over there, we're gonna get something to eat. Antes que vamos allá por la viaje, vamos a llegar a algo de comer. Qué sabrosas. A ver qué traen a comer. Let's see what they have to eat.
A few moments later.
Here for the extension. I see the second checkpoint. Las trailers que conquistan la Border Patrol. O si tienes tu CDL o tu P1 o algo así y manejas un trailer y te cachan, pues te quitan tus papeles. Those trucks over there are the ones that are seen Border Patrol. So if you have your CDL and you're trying to do something naughty, you're trying to pass this checkpoint, you're gonna get seized and your CDL revoked. I don't think it's worth it. Pues ya pasamos la segunda guerrita de Laredo rumbo a Louisiana. A ver más adelante cómo está el clima, si todavía está lloviendo allá. Pero ahorita vamos a pasar a San Antonio en unos 2 horas. The rain has came down. See, rain, shine, snow, hot, cold. The truckers keep on trucking. Loves and gonna get something to eat. And came already in Louisiana, and we're gonna see how it is in the morning because there's supposed to be a tropical storm coming in. We'll see. Good morning. So here in Louisiana, arrived yesterday, dropped off. Go in and pick up the trailer and maybe we can have a return to Laredo. Say good morning. So we're headed towards New Orleans. This is how it is right now. There's no raining, no nothing. We're actually in a storm watch for Tropical Storm Nicholas, New Orleans to Texas. As of right now, there's clear skies, no rain yet. Here in Louisiana. Just gonna come and pick up here and head back to San Antonio. Hopefully we could get it done before it starts raining. Hey, papicito. I'll keep y'all updated.
Son los únicos socios ustedes, ¿no? 65 para mí y 15 para mí.
So, we're stuck in NOLA. This power steering thingy-majiggy doesn't work. I'll post a little video clip somewhere. And it's been a night in NOLA. So, gonna eat my fancy dinner and call it a night. Hopefully the rain doesn't hit hard. There's still not rain yet. It's 8:25 p.m. here. We'll see what happens. So we were also under the storm watch, and that morning we had to go pick up the piece that broke at the store, so we had to get a lift. These are a few pictures of the French Quarter. Couldn't take a lot because I had to phone the store the piece that broke. Here we're getting a lift back to the trailer, and it decided to rain all night. Even that little bit morning it didn't rain, and it came down right when we got back to the had to go back to the truck. My steering wheel works. So a little bit what happened. Okay, I'm back. So what happened was the steering wheel.
Wait, look!
Welcome to Texas. What's up, guys? So it is September 15th, 1:27 p.m. We are finally back in Laredo. Hot Laredo. Just pulled in where they have all the trucks. We made it through the storm. We got here safe, thank God. And well, that's gonna be it for the vlog. So thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. If not, cool, but thanks for watching anyways. I hope you have a good day.